In this video I'm going to show you how you can flip Canva design in less than few seconds. So after watching this video you're able to do this work perfectly. First of all, I'm going on Canva. I opened a design here, so I input this drug. You can input anything here, so you can see this is a this side mouth or this side. So just select and click on this flip. Here are click on flip, then okay, this is already flipped. So if you want to flip vertical, wow, it's already done. So this is a method you can flip in design in Canva. So I import another one. Okay, this one, just select, first of all select this image, then click on flip, then click on here horizontal, and this is a vertical. This is an easy method. So if you are found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.